beautiful chocolate man. Sit back so you can get my good side. The best thing about fishing this close to home is, so today is hair wash day. So I gotta get in my son's head, boy. And I love washing my boy's hair. Um, but yeah, today is hair wash day. So let's get out here, catch a few fish, get my mind right, so I can just have a little extra patience with him, and then I can get in that head. Get that head dead. I don't know if I'm just gonna let him have locks, but so far he been rocking 2-strand twists. I love it when they get into that little side bone in their mouth and they can't pop it back out. Love it. Love it. Shit. I'm tripping. I don't know what just happened. That was a big hit from this little fish. They are hitting it hard. This is a ugly stick GX2. It's a medium action pole. And these little fish knocking it. Ow. 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 You know, when people fill my fishing spots, they don't ever steal these spots. They don't they don't care about these spots. I be wondering like who's gonna get close. Bang. Gotcha. Yeah, enough of that sad army talk. I hate to talk about it. Because though everything I said is true, it was just nothing but lies and manipulation and deceit. And I don't know. From dealing with that from like a 17-year-old, I'm 23 now. Really changes the way you see life. Especially since all those people was way older than you. Way older. Some of those people that was messing with me in the military was like 10 years older than me at that point. Some of them 20 years older than me. You know? Um, let's say, since I got out the military, I'm a phlebotomist now. I had to stop that phlebotomy school because I became a full-time dad. Now I'm still gonna go back to school, but I already found a fishing. I already found a passion. Well, I've always had a passion for fishing. It's fed me my whole life. Um, my grandfather, he in heaven now. You put that fire in me, Grandpa. Feel me? You know, this is really practice too. Like setting the hook, feeling for the bite, the worm. Where am I casting at? Like, especially when the bite starts to slow down, which is fin to real soon. I'm just gonna go to the other side. But like I was saying earlier, they carrying it like a football. Um, the funnest part is so as they're grabbing it, you got two choices: go against the grain and do the hook set as they snatch it, or you can just give them a little time. And I thank God for these worms, man. Father God, you know you're awesome. Telling you, man, you can sit right here and catch 100 fish. This one's darker. My melanated brother. Hey, you know, Wu said when she catch panfish, they mostly be this size. Well, Wu, like you said, these some pit bulls. I call them piranhas. They super fun to catch, especially if you're in Texas. They so beautiful. Um, just so beautiful, and they fight hard. Well, they don't fight hard, but they bite hard. And if I had a lighter action rod, they would fight like a dog. And I used to be so ungrateful of these fish until I started interacting with more people that even struggle to catch these fish. And I tell them so many different tricks. Like, say this, they not biting, right? I'll dip it in the water, and I'll put some dirt on them, right? Dirt probably gonna fall off soon they hit the water. That's what I want. Bam. Oh, he got off. See what I'm saying though? Fish right there, he got off. Hold on. And there's still like parts of this place that I still haven't hit yet. The bite is starting to slow down. Y'all ask me why do I do that? They like it. They like it when I tease them.